Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use USB security key for Bank of America. So let's get started. First of all, if you want to know what a USB security key is, it is a physical device which is used for two-factor authentication. It acts as an extra layer of security by requiring the key to access your Bank of America account. Make sure the USB security key you plan to use is compatible with Bank of America. They typically support the security keys using the FIDO2 or U2F and popular brands like Yubico, YubiKey, Google T10 key, and Phaeton security keys. Before using the security key, make sure that you have two-factor authentication on your account. Now go to your Bank of America account and go to the profile settings. Once in here, navigate to the security settings or the manage two-factor authentication. Now make sure to enable two-factor authentication from over here. Once activated, you can set up your USB security key. Now under profile settings, you'll see an option for security key setup or manage devices. Now make sure to log your USB security key into your computer's USB port. Then follow the on-screen instructions to activate the key. Now press the button on the USB key when prompted to link it to your Bank of America. You can also assign a nickname to your key for easy access. Now confirm the setup and make sure to save the settings. Now the USB security key will be a part of your login process. So whenever you will be logging in, you will be prompted to use your USB security key. So make sure to insert it into the USB port. Then tap the button on the USB to authenticate it, and then you will gain access to your account. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.